Homes Decor Designs, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, we're delving into the serene world of fish pond design and learn how to create a serene and sustainable aquatic ecosystem in your garden. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A well-designed fish pond can transform your garden into a peaceful oasis, bringing a touch of tranquility and natural beauty to your outdoor space. We'll explore the concept of fish pond design, its numerous benefits, and practical tips for creating a harmonious and sustainable aquatic ecosystem. We'll also discuss essential elements to consider for a truly captivating fish pond. Fish pond design involves the careful planning and creation of a water body in your garden, specifically designed to house aquatic life. This includes considering factors such as size, depth, water quality, and plant life. A fish pond offers several benefits such as: first, aesthetic appeal. A well-designed pond can enhance the beauty of your garden. Second, relaxation and well-being. The sound of flowing water is soothing and can reduce stress. Third, biodiversity. Ponds attract a variety of wildlife, such as birds, insects, and amphibians. Fourth, water conservation. A pond can help to conserve water by reducing runoff. Fifth, educational opportunity. It provides a chance to learn about aquatic ecosystems and observe wildlife. How to decorate your fish pond for garden to look beautiful. To create a visually appealing fish pond, consider these decorating tips. First, choose the right plants. Select aquatic plants that are suitable for your climate and pond size. Second, incorporate rocks and stones. Use rocks and stones to create different levels and textures. Third, add a water feature. A fountain or waterfall can add visual interest and oxygenate the water. Fourth, use lighting. Illuminate your pond with underwater lights or garden lights to create a magical ambience. Fifth, consider a bridge or pathway. A bridge or pathway can lead to your pond, adding a sense of mystery and intrigue. And to create beautiful garden with fish ponds, here are some essential items options for a beautiful fish pond. 1. Pond liner. A durable liner to create the pond's basin. 2. Water pump. A pump to circulate water and power a waterfall or fountain. 3. Filter system. A filtration system to keep the water clean and clear. 4. Aquatic plants. A variety of aquatic plants to oxygenate the water and provide habitat for fish. 5. Pond fish. Choose fish that are suitable for your climate and pond size. 6. Pond ornaments. Add decorative elements like sculptures or lanterns. 7. Pond skimmer. A skimmer to remove debris from the water's surface. 8. Pond heater. A heater to maintain water temperature in colder climates. 9. Pond aerator. An aerator to oxygenate the water and prevent stagnation. 10. Pond maintenance kit. A kit with essential tools for cleaning and maintaining your pond. Discover unique fish pond designs that will transform your garden into a serene retreat. Here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you create a stunning fish pond. 1. Japanese Zen pond. Create a serene and minimalist pond with clean lines, natural materials, and a focus on water. Incorporate elements like stepping stones, Japanese maples, and koi fish. 2. Natural pond. Embrace a more natural look by creating a pond that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Plant native aquatic plants and attract wildlife. 3. Formal pond. Create a symmetrical and formal pond with geometric shapes, clipped hedges, and ornate statuary. 4. Wildlife pond. Design a pond that attracts a variety of wildlife, including birds, frogs, and dragonflies. Plant native aquatic plants and avoid using chemicals. 5. Bog garden pond. Combine a pond with a bog garden to create a unique and beautiful landscape. Plant bog plants like pitcher plants and sundews. 6. Waterfall pond. Add a dramatic touch to your garden with a waterfall. The sound of flowing water can be very relaxing and soothing. 7. Koi pond. Create a stunning focal point with a koi pond. Choose a variety of koi fish and plant colorful aquatic plants. 8. Tropical pond. Bring the tropics to your garden with lush vegetation and colorful fish. Use tropical plants like water lilies, lotus flowers, and papyrus. 9. Container pond. Create a small, portable pond in a container. This is a great option for those with limited space. 10. Hidden pond. Create a secluded and intimate space with a hidden pond. Use plants and rocks to disguise the pond and create a sense of mystery. A well-designed fish pond can transform your garden into a tranquil oasis. By following these tips and incorporating these essential elements, you can create a beautiful and sustainable aquatic ecosystem. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share tips and tricks to help you create your dream outdoor space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.